Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I'm going to look at a tree, not a tree map, but a funnel. And this is useful to illustrate, for example, you might have something, let's say, for example, here the example of our prospects, qualified prospects, needs analysis. So if you're doing any kind of sort of sales analysis, this is useful. Or also, for example, if you're something like website traffic, something, between visitors, engagement, sign-ups, etc. So I'm just going to start here, highlighting it in here, insert. And then I'm going to go over to this one over here. Where's it on now? Let me find it, not box and whisker. But I'm looking for my, there we go, funnel. Okay. Now you can see there, it gives me the numbers in it and the whole lot, which is kind of quite useful. And again, I can come over here, add on my, if I want to add more data labels, see there, we want to add a series name, not a series name, but let's say the category name there and so on. Right? Or if I want to change the color, again, click on it. This one, I can change the color if I want to. Okay, depending on which one you want to use. All right, so that's that one. If I want to maybe just do another variety of that, for example, I might just want to do one with maybe this one and the percentage. So use the control key here to highlight and then insert and then come up here then to this one, choose my funnel. Again, you get it here from the percentages one as well. Okay, so it's done from that one. So I hope you found this useful. And it's always good to know about these other ones. And of course, you always have the options up here for the different styles you can choose. I always like to say that one a bit heavy on the toner for that one if it's printed out. And then you can also change the colors here. You want to. So again, I hope you find this useful. It's not amazing for large amounts of data, but if you just want to give a quick demo on something like this or to kind of give a quick visual of this, it's really useful. Okay, mind yourself, take care, bye.